Assembly air coso I wasn't for anyone I would dog or don't cancel. I was somewhat tenacity, no more shame to say. The way I in a messy fair con, any a bit me, I amount for be bit me the Mumaji, no more drum which you wish and share a bit my something else. Ebusia, Lilwin as you will say, if you want more, a corny program, I say, and said the Busha for the assembly air court. No, assembly could be a court Nimbum and someone ACC with you know, and share court case no beat my something else. Now, made the inchrimua one year and I made a broad message and more. Subscribe my page with me at Doman, so send me upload Biafra when submit my account. Made the trending stories, spiritual programs, political shows, and I made the ebro. Busia over Ghana, ne oka comedian once more. Yebo Ejakudia, Yebo Lilwin. Enti so obi dwen say obi ye star Lilwin so no oye one of the stars in Ghana. Lilwin won't even compare any other Kumewood star because Lilwin is very dynamic and also very hardworking, just like the other stars we have in Ghana. Lilwin enya accident on the 25th or year ne a country called Ghana Concert War Kumasi. Na accident is here akrebi hwe ne kra on that very day in that incident. Papa no nso chese kene nan kra ebuye ye rush omko hospital that very day. Na accident is here no ye hu say kodun cancer Lilwin free accident scene ho epi wo concert no ase ekoje fans kwotena ho no mo as if say she nc just that na plaster na talent ne mama so. Bana Manfokapu names Lilwin has suffered some accident. And we train na social media force I say omo respond say Lilwin anya ade because we kumobi in an accident. Na same fata say obekos wa pursue sa program no. E mamanfo bebre na de omadwen kire bae efia hwa no ne other people bekasa say the Lilwin here no ankoyi. And we train ni team a won omo number out beka say enye akwa ne kwa na ewu na Lilwin swipra. And omo other crews no suffer some damages into the mobile and doing say Lilwin comfortable ama. Number 4 say na say Lilwin akonya accident na on feel comfortable FOB hu ben Lilwin no akonya accident na nkrofo omo nam omo baby Lilwin ne car akobo omo so na ere ne koto nchen afi asem ne ko pie wo court Lilwin ye hu say Lilwin akoda hospital bed so according to information about near say na Lilwin enkoda hospital ye but abra your man court letter no and ma Lilwin rush koda hospital edi hu videos ne pictures ebeta bontin say na nka amofo be hu ni say he's also going through some pain na Lilwin wa court aba na say court enye mbuaten ye ya postpone kin say yen kombra ne betena asem ne so. Number 1 issue about that bontin ye say yes Lilwin atoka e de sika piso akoma akola na wefri mu no ne papa ne maame e na abobi kire se so mutum Jesus kana so dia na ye ahokire anohia anebia sa akere ne so moji a ebe ma case nbe ye a foolish case e wo court. Now Lilwin a woda hospital bed a judge endi wasem nwiye woda hospital bed afre kweku ombra no en record nyom na woni kweku flex a record nyom on your hospital bed a ade hye wokon. When a man for say this is not the time for this. This is a wrong timing. Oh, on your person release here. I don't want to be wie and son of release on. Number 1, the only accident akolani wuye that same day you went to your show. Telling people said there was nothing wrong with you. Now they see you and it was a planting. eno koda nchen on your hospital bed a wasem mo court ayen di case ni wiye a wose wo kon ebu a untumi nya ho hwe first day kra wo court ye kra wo mu but day a wo wo concert ye nkra wo mu but day a Lilwin ye kra ni mu se obi a wo wue ni afi free on mu on the hospital bed you are recording the song ebusia aha ye too much me pesa wo de wa adwen kire ba New how I want to see who's incident with Obi entirely Lilwin. Me personally no I am my favorite. Apart from Ejako, Mark Brown, Lilwin. These are the three people I mean the Omuhagro when it comes to acting in Ghana here. They do so well. And I love them so well. But the way Lilwin in Yamano, I'm sure Lilwin will complicate issues and other issues anka any issue will pop up. Inti enyume Lilwin de ba bonti emfase wo so ne yeden o se Ghana for tano are you sure she views are wenya wo ho no na ye subscribers are Lilwin wo na hwe nkofo a follow Lilwin e Ghana for na follow wo movie a wo acting you don't speak English e twi na wo ka nti Ghana for na e na ye fellow obi enkrani on teach ba wunti otie a na obi so bi say mini care then anipa na kire they just want to watch your movies in so case Ghana for mpewasem a Ghana for ben mpewasem okrom for mpewasem ana ofie for mpewasem because o movies na ye no enye ofie for nkwa na ehwe enye okrom for nkwa na eti Ghana for eti na mom we ade bi na enye na adofo eka e wo se wutie se ade a me ye no nkofo eka wasem o ye se de wotwa kwan no onim se ekwan na wotwa no se achia anasenchia ebusuya media ahanam de manu besi mesrew se wo so do adwen kire ebeta bonte na fe video we yen share makodo nkasa Lilwin team no ensanka video we bi no mo nu se be omo de omo star no ekono it is getting to a ditch and omo de ne koto aminim aye too much ebusuya subscribe my page ne nim mi adoma no se na me upload bi anso na wo sabeti maka but the trending news breaking news, spiritual programs, and political shows. And I'm the bro, Makra.
Do you want to buy a house? Then your worries are over. For sale. Mewasem David Imao. Yes, it's for sale. It's a 5-bedroom gated houses with a beautiful view and serene. All for sale. A dining in our Tantra Hills estate. Into Wahibia Frey. They're very affordable. You can simply call us on 050-338-7037 or 0277-469-933. 5-bedroom houses in Tantra Hills Estate, all for sale. Call us now cause it's very affordable.